Sparkle Lites Fiber Optic Fireworks video. A stunning spray of light. Fireworks contain over 200 strands of fiber optics. They're 13 centimeters or 5 inches long. So let's explain how to use fiber optic fireworks. They're sold 5 per pack. Sparkle Lites LED base and stem are sold separately. You choose what Sparkle Lites LED base and stem to use on your fireworks. There are 6 LED light colours to choose from, plus a colour changing LED. You can add fireworks to balloon topiary trees and colour coordinate them to suit. This is very important. You must fan out your fibre optic strands to get the fireworks effect. Gently but firmly push down on the fibre optic strands to crease them. Do not pull the strands, you must push them down a bunch at a time. This is how to fan your fireworks. Sparkle Lites come in a pack of 5. Instructions are on the reverse of the card insert. 5 free stems are included with each pack. The stems are optional to use, but they do come in very handy. Sparkle Lites will last you more than 24 hours from activation, and they are completely waterproof. Fireworks are incredibly bright, day or night. They will enhance any decor, and they're amazing on chairbacks. Every component of Sparkle Lites is completely waterproof. Fireworks bring flowers to life. And of course you can colour coordinate to suit. Now Sparkle Lites blink, glow and turn on and off. You press the tiny waterproof switch on the top. It changes from slow blinking to fast blinking to glow and then of course turns on and off. These are just some of the ideas by which you can use Sparkle Lites fireworks. A free stem is included with every Sparkle Lites base. The stem fits into the underside of the Sparkle Lites base by simply pushing and twisting. It is optional, but handy. Batteries are of course included, and they are replaceable. It's very easy to do. What's actually harder is getting Sparkle Lites back because everybody wants to keep them after the event. Don't forget to see our other videos for more inspiring ideas, and thank you very much for watching.